Students, this is 163rd maths class. 163rd maths class. In that last video, that last problem of last video, this step is not covered. This step is not covered. You collect this, students. In that last problem of that last video, this step is not covered. You just collect 30 e power 2x minus 30 e power 2x get cancels. 30 e power 3x minus 30 e power 3x get cancels. We will get 0. Therefore, LHS is equal to what? RHS. We proved LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So now let us solve one more question. Let's go for solving some more 5-mark questions. Surely they are going to ask one 5-mark question of this type. Practice all the 5-mark questions you can attend. You can easily attend one 5-mark question in your annual exam. So right, next question is if y equals y equals a into e power mx, a into e power mx plus b into e power mx, show that b square y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mny is equal to 0. Same type question, students. Same type of question. You follow same method. Just you find out d square by dx dy by dx. Already we have y value. Take LHS, substitute and simplify. You are going to get 0. So write solution. So dy by dx. So dy by dx is constant into function. So write. Look at this, students. Constant into function. Keep the constant as it is. A differentiation of e power mx. That is e power mx. Again, think of differentiating mx. Constant into function. Keep that m as it is. Differentiation of x is 1. m plus b. Constant into function b. Differentiation of e power nx is e power nx. Again, differentiation of nx is n. Write that neatly once. dy by dx is am e power mx plus bn e power nx. So differentiate that once again. d square y by dx square. So again, constant into function. Keep the constant as it is. So am differentiation of e power mx is e power mx. Again, differentiation of mx is m plus bn constant. Both b and n are constants. They are not variables. Not variables means should be constant. Variables, for the variable purpose, we use the symbol x, y. In parametric, we use theta small t, theta t x y. Except those symbols, you treat the other symbols as constants. Constant into function bn. So differentiation of e power nx is e power nx. Again, nx is n. d square y by dx square. So that is am into m square e power mx plus bn square. So bn square e power nx. Now you take left side of that, students, LHS of that. LHS. So what is LHS? d square y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mny. Substitute for this. You substitute for these things. So that is So is equal to, what is d square y by dx square value students? Here it is. You substitute for d square y by dx square. Here it is am square e power mx plus bm square e power mx minus m plus n into. So tell me dy by dx value. There we have am e power mx plus am e power mx plus bn e power nx plus m n y. What is y? We have y value a e power mx plus b e power nx. Now you simplify that students. I am simplifying that, you will get 0. So go for simplifying that. So is equal to am square e power mx plus bn square e power nx. You take minus m and multiply to both these two terms. Minus m into am minus am square e power mx minus m into pn that is minus bmn e power mx. Now I take minus n. You take minus n and multiply to these terms. Minus amn into e power mx minus n into this minus b n into n square e power nx. Now you come to this one, multiply these two amn. So amn e power nx plus bmn e power nx. Now you just check all the terms get cancelled. am square e power mx. Here it is. bm square e power nx. Minus bmn plus bmn. Just multiply, you get it. So amn I am getting 0 RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So we proved that. It's 5 mark question. Now let's go for one more question. Let us solve one more question, students. So right. Next question. Next question. Next question is, so if e power x into x plus 1 is equal to 1, show that d square y by dx1 is equal to, so dy by dx whole square, d square y by dx square is equal to dy by dx whole square. Again it is one more simple question. Students. Let us try to solve that. Look at this, students. So e power x into x plus 1 into is equal to 1. Apply UV rule. You should apply UV rule for this. Apply UV rule. UV. Keep that u as it is. E power x. So write e power y. Sorry. The question is e power y. This is not x. E power y. Apply UV rule. Keep that e power y as it is. So So differentiate v. X is 1 plus 1 is 0. 1 plus 0 means 1 plus v as it is x plus 1. Differentiate u. E power x. Differentiation of e power x is e power x only. While differentiating e power x and a power x forms, you should not forget to differentiate power. E power y is e power y. Again y is dy by dx is equal to differentiation of 1 is 0. So don't forget to differentiate RHS. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Solve for dy by dx now. Keep this term here only, set this right side. That implies x plus 1 into e power y into dy by dx is equal to, set this right side, minus e power y. E power y get cancels. Bring this down. So dy by dx is minus 1 by x plus 1. Now I go for squaring on both sides. Square both sides. SBS. Square both sides. If I square both sides, I am going to get squaring both sides. Dy by dx whole square. So dy by dx whole square is equal to minus 1 square plus 1. Minus becomes plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Call this as equation number 1. I found RHS value. Now let's go for finding LHS. For that, differentiate dy by dx once again. If I differentiate dy by dx, I am going to get d square y by dx square. So that is d square y by dx square. Tell me rule required for this quotient rule. Apply quotient rule. Denominator square. So denominator square x plus 1 whole square. Denominator into differentiation of numerator. Keep the denominator as it is. Keep the denominator as it is. Think of differentiating numerator. Differentiation of minus 1 is 0. 0. Minus. Write that numerator as it is. Keep that numerator as it is. Minus 1 into differentiation of denominator. Differentiation of denominator. So differentiation of x is 1 is 0. Differentiation of x is 1 plus 1 is 0. It is 1. So tell me students, 0 into everything is 0. 0 into everything is 0. Minus into minus plus 1 1 is 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Call this as equation number 2. You compare 1 and 2, right hand sides are equal, left hand sides must be equal. That implies, so d square y by dx square is equal to dy by dx whole square. Proving is over. Now let's go for next question. Next, miscellaneous problems. So right, this is about second derivative students. Surely they are going to set one question from these 5 mark questions. Now next question is, now let's go for one more question. Let us take one more question students. So write miscellaneous problems. So miscellaneous problems. Miscellaneous problems. First question. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Differentiate the following. Differentiate the following. So with respect to x. First question is, so root 3x plus 2 plus 1 by root 2x square plus 4. simple question students. This is simple question for 3 marks. Is a 3 mark question. Now I explain. Look at this students. Solution y equals so root 3x plus 2 plus root. You take this root as whole power 1 by 2. You take this root as whole power 1 by 2. Send it to numerator. You can apply quotient rule also, but instead of thinking of quotient form, you just shift. You send this to numerator. It becomes so easy. 2x square plus 4. Root means 1 by 2. Root means 1 by 2. If I send it to numerator, it becomes minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Now you differentiate this students. Differentiation of y is dy by dx. Dy by dx. Root x. You know that root means 1 by 2 root. 1 by 2 root 3x plus 2. After differentiating root, you think of differentiating inside one. Inside one. Constant into function. 3 into x is 1. 3 into 1 plus 0. That is 3. Next, you come to the second term. Power base angle formula. Start from power. N into x power n minus 1. That is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 into. So 2x plus 4. Whole power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. N into n minus 1. Differentiating is power over. You think of inside one. Inside. Constant into function. Constant into function. 2 into differentiation of x is 1. 4 is 0. That is so 2 into 1. 2 into 1 plus 4 is 0. I won't collect zeros. Whenever we get zeros, try to avoid writing that in order to minimize the steps. 2 get cancelled, students. Write the answer neatly. So dy by dx is so 3 by so 2 into root of 3x plus 2 minus into plus minus bring that down. So 1 by 2x plus 4 whole power LCM minus 2 minus 1 3 by 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 by 2. Bring that down. Bring that down. If I bring minus 3 by 2 to denominator, it becomes 3 by 2. So this is the answer. I hope you understood, students. Let us go for solving one more question. Let us solve one more question. So right, I think here I took wrong 2x square. I have taken 2x students. Correct it please. 2x square. This is 2x square. 2x square. I made a mistake. Correct it. 2x square. Alright. Power over n into n minus 1. Go inside. Inside 1. 2 into differentiation of x square to x. 2 to the 4x. 4x. Differentiation of 4 is 0. 2 to the. Answer is 2x. So 2x. Minus into plus minus. 2 into x 2x. So LCM minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 by 2. Bring it down. Bring it to denominator. It becomes plus 3 by 2. This is the required answer. I hope you understood, students. So let's go for solving one more question. Let us solve one more question. So right. Next question is so e power secant square x plus 3 cos inverse x plus 3 cos inverse x. It's so easy question. So right, y. You take that as y. Start differentiating. Differentiation of y is dy by dx. Differentiation of e power x secant square x into you think of differentiating secant square. I told that so many times. E power x, a power x. Differentiating power, secant square. You start from power base angle. You think of differentiating secant square, power base angle, 2 secant x. 2 into secant power, 2 minus 1, we not to write x. Differentiation of power over. Now you think of differentiating secant x. Secant is secant into tan. So secant x into tan x. Again x is 1, need not to write. E power x is e power x. Differentiate secant square. Differentiate secant square. You use power base angle formula. 2 secant x. N into x power n minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Differentiation of power. Now you differentiate secant x base. Differentiate base. Differentiation of secant is secant into tan. Again x is 1. 2 secant into secant, same thing. This is what I written there. Plus 3 into cos inverse x. How much is the differentiation of cos inverse x? Minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. Minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. So completed. Differentiation is completed. Write the terms neatly. So that is dy by dx is equal to e power secant square x into 2 secant into secant square x into tan x plus into minus 3 by root 1 minus x square. 3 by root 1 minus x square. Let us go for differentiating one more. So next question. So write. So log x base 7. You put star for this question, students. Why? Put star because this is quite different. Look at this, students. So differentiation of look at this differentiation of log x base e. Base is not written means it is understood. It is e. Differentiation of log x base e is equal to 1 by x. Natural logarithms. Base e ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ log x ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 by x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. But keep this note very carefully. But differentiation of log x base 10 is not equal to 1 by x. Base log ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸ್ e ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. e ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. e ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ here is the rule. So rule log a base b is equal to log a base c by log b base c. We have this change of base formula. Loss of logarithms adunu use ಮಾಡಿ. This is a logarithm formula. Log a base a base b. So change of base formula. So change of base formula. Change of base formula. You apply that, students. Y is equal to log a. A means log x. So log b means 7. B means 7. Log a base b. Log a by log b. Base is e. Base. Even if the base is not written, it is understood. E only. Base ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ e ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. understood ಅದು ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Look at this, students. ಇದನ್ನ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 by log 7. 1 by log 7 into log of log x. I rearranged. Why I rearranged like this means constant into function. Need not apply quotient tool. Quotient tool not required. Constant into function enough. Differentiated. Now you differentiate. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by log 7 into differentiation of this log x. 1 by x. Log in the place of x we have log x. 1 by log x into differentiation of outside log over go inside. Log x is 1 by x. Final answer is 1 by x log x into log 7. This is the answer. You solve one more question of the same type, friends. I give that. So write. You just solve this. So y is equal to log of log x base 10. One more question. You solve these questions at home. So y is equal to log sin x. So base 5. You solve these two questions on your own. Let us stop this class, friends. We shall discuss the remaining in the next class.